Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ford F-250. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts alignment. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a precise and effective adjustment. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your low beam headlights. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a clear horizontal line. Then, mark two distinct vertical lines on the wall, aligning them precisely with the center of each headlight. These accurate marks will serve as your essential reference points for proper beam alignment. Now, locate the adjustment screws on the back of your headlight assemblies. Typically, one screw controls vertical movement and another controls horizontal. Turn these screws to adjust the beam. For low beams, aim the top of the cutoff line to be slightly below your horizontal wall mark. Ensure the beam is centered vertically on its respective mark. After adjusting, double-check that both headlights are properly aligned and won't blind oncoming drivers. Take your truck for a test drive on a dark road to confirm clear visibility and proper beam pattern. Remember, correct headlight alignment significantly improves night driving safety for everyone. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.